This video will show you how to add pickup and drop details in a reservation. Hotelogix lets you easily add pickup and drop details of a guest. Let us see how. Right-click the reservation you wish to add pickup and drop details. Click View Details from the context menu that opens. The reservation opens in a new tab. Click Enable Editing to make changes. Fill in the arrival details. Fill in the departure details. Now click Departure. Click Save at the bottom of the tab to update the reservation. The reservation is updated with pickup and drop details. This brings us to the end of the video on how to add pickup and drop details in a reservation.